The Hainan Tropical Rainforest National Park is located in the central mountainous area of Hainan Island. Its biodiversity is equivalent to that of the Amazon rainforest. The nearly extinct Hainan black-crested gibbons are endemic to the place. To preserve the tropical rainforest ecosystem, residents in the core area moved out, leaving an undisturbed environment to ecological restoration. Scientific research platforms and regulations guarantee the guidance of conservation works. The habitats of Hainan gibbons and other unique rare wildlife species has been restored effectively. On the second largest island of China, the tropical rainforest has been nourishing various wildlife and human residents.